EURUSD this week has dropped in value, starting from the Monday where the price has formed this small, similar to bearish pin bar, where the price has gone down for the rest of the week, and we can see that the price has tried to prevent going even further down. The buys here that are forming the demand zone around this price level 1.06736 have tried to push the price even more higher, but we can see that the price had selling pressure here from this supply zone and also from this uptrend, currently trend line, the resistance line that was pushing also the price down. So the selling pressure has pushed the price all the way to 1.06736, and we can see that on a Thursday the price formed a strong bearish candle, which means that this strong demand zone where the buys are waiting has been broken, and we can see that the price has reached this area, which is just inside this demand zone. On a Friday, all the sellers that have entered into the trade from here have exited their trades, and there was a small return in the price from this demand zone and also this support level. Now we can see on the weekly how this looks. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this week has been bearish because the price has dropped in value, and we can see that the price has reached almost around supply zone 1.07825. This drop in the weekly time frame is not so strong. We can see where the price could drop significantly in the price if there is strong selling pressure, and also if there is a buying pressure there could be a strong candles, which means this is currently a fight between the buyers and the sellers around this price level, and we can see the candles body is a little bit relatively small compared, for example, from the previous week. Let's see on the monthly time frame. We have 2 weeks in this month, and we can see that this month is recovering right now, and currently it has stopped at first resistance area, and that is 1.068 price level. There are also small resistance levels, but if we see this one on the daily, we could see also the small support and resistance levels around this area here. So for the monthly time frame, we have 2 more weeks, and even more, and as it looks right now it is still bullish, but because of the long time frame, for the monthly time frame we have several weeks to go, so it's not so easy to predict where the price could go. But what are the limits for the price on the monthly time frame? This is something that we can discuss. So for example, the price was rising up and then now it's going down, and the price is stopped at this support level, and also it has stopped around this one and also around this one. We can see these are the support levels where the price has stopped and has had problems reaching lower levels. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price could not go down, so this is very important level for the monthly time frame, and not only for the closing the month, but this one here is also a very important level on the monthly time frame, which means there could be also weeks going down. So for the monthly time frame, this is very important, and it is important that the price do not close the month below this one. If it closes, this means the next level where the price could stop is this one here around 1.048 or around 1.05. On the upper side, we can see that very important level for the price is currently this one 1.06869 price level, and then this one here 1.073 price level. This is very important levels on the monthly time frame, and this is where the price is currently heading, so around 1.073 price level. If it closes above, this will mean that the price is recovering from this loss, from this strong bearish candle 2 months ago, and there is a possibility that the price could reach 1.078, which is a strong monthly resistance level. So having that in mind on the monthly time frame, where the price is going to around 1.07 and also 1.073 and then 1.078, we can go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks here. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the very important level is 1.078. This is the target for this month where the price could go, but we have several support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame that needs to be broken in order to continue to move up. Okay, very important level for the weekly time frame is this one 1.058, which has been broken, and there is a possibility that the price could return a little bit more down to confirm this breakout. and we can see this breakout has been confirmed with this candle, which didn't go back below this one. So this is very important signal for us. But before moving up, there could be also a support that needs to be touched before going even further on, and that is around this area here, which is 1.063, very important level. We can see in the past this price has made a great confluence of support and resistance. So we can see the price had problems around this price level, so there is a possibility that the price could return back here in order to continue to move up. So for the weekly time frame, very important level to hold is 1.063 price level and above if the price would like to continue to move up. Very important level for the price is currently this one, 1.07. We can see it here in the past that the price had problems going above that. And then the next one is here, 1.073. So you can see these levels are repeating from the monthly time frame, going back to the weekly. Now let's go to the daily and let's see how this could look like. And let's see like this. So the monthly target is 1.078, but before that we have 1.073 and 1.07 price level. And below that, very important level is 1.063, which is just the lower side of this demand zone. So before the price starts to move up, there is a possibility, and also I'm expecting that the price could reverse going back down to this price level, which is 1.0637, we can see it here, and also this one here, which is 1.062. So on the daily time frame, I have stretched it a little bit from 1.063 to 1.062 because this is the level I am expecting where the price could stop and find a great support before continuing to move up. There could also be a wick that is going up to here and then reversing, going back up. So before the price starts to move up, there is a possibility. I'm just saying there is a possibility because the price do not need to return back down to continue to move up, because there is also a probability that the price will go down. So I'm expecting that the price will drop a little bit more down and then continue to move up, because currently everything looks as a bullish momentum. We can see a bullish trend that has been formed here. And the first level where the price is 1.063, if it breaks below this one, this will mean where the price could stop is this one here, 1.062, and if it breaks below that, this means the price could go up to here, which is 1.058, and also an area around this one here. Now when the price bounces from here to the up, very important level for the price to break to the upside is 1.07, and we can see it here. Currently it is 1.069 visible here, and we can see it here. Very important level is 1.069. You can see this very important level for the price to return into bullish mode. And then above that, there is also a very important level is this one here, 1.072, which is very close to 1.073 on the weekly and also monthly time frame. So in order to continue up, the price needs to break above this one, and then the price could reach the start of this supply zone, which is 1.076, an area where the price in the past has also reached. So these are the levels that needs to hold. 1.063 needs to hold on the daily time frame. If it breaks below that, it could go even more down. If it holds, this means the price needs to continue and break above 1.07. If the price breaks on the daily time frame 1.07, the next one where the price is going is 1.073, and then here 1.075, which is a very important level visible here, 1.074. And above that, there is a possibility that the price could touch this supply zone with a wick and then retrace a little bit more, because there is a great supply zone around this one. And if we stretch this a little bit more up, we can see that this is a confluence of resistance, which adds a little bit more strength for the sellers, and also the buyers who entered here will exit here with their trades, which means this will also trigger the sell-off of the price. So this is based on the multi-time frame analysis, where the monthly and also weekly and daily time frame shows the same price levels, and also it is in line with this uptrend channel. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and see you next time. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!